Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable After Effects collaborative projects in Adobe Team Projects, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable After Effects collaborative projects in Adobe Team Projects, start by launching Adobe After Effects on your computer. Ensure you are signed in with your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Navigate to the top menu bar and click on File. In the drop-down menu, locate and select Team Projects. Select Create New Team Project from the options. You will be prompted to enter a name for your new project. Choose a name that is relevant to the work you will be doing. After naming your project, click the Create button. Once your project is created, invite collaborators by clicking on the Invite button. Enter the email addresses of the team members you wish to invite. You can also adjust their permission settings, allowing them to either edit or view the project. After configuring the invitations, click Send to invite your collaborators. Once they accept the invitation, they will be able to access the project. You can track changes and updates from your team in real time. To save your work, go to File and select Save or use the shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. Remember to regularly save your work to prevent data loss. To finalize, ensure all collaborators are informed about how to access the project. This completes the process of enabling collaborative projects in Adobe After Effects using Team Projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.